Hi guys, Adam here, and welcome back to another video in Adam's Toyland. Today I'm going to be showing you this Wild Republic capybara. Capybaras are the largest rodents in the world. A rodent is a mammal with very long sharp front teeth. Species examples of a rodent are a squirrel, groundhog, or a hamster. Capybaras live in the Amazon rainforest of South America. These guys live in the Amazon River. Like their cousin the beaver, capybaras are strong swimmers and they're semi-aquatic too. Capybaras are an example of amphibious animals. Amphibious animals are animals that can live on land and in the water. Capybaras are good on land while with their strong legs, and their legs are actually paddle-like so they can swim in the water. Capybaras eat grass, water plants, reeds, squash, grains, and melons. Jaguars, pumas, ocelots, and anacondas are predators of adult capybaras, and caimans and eagles are predators of young capybaras. Adult capybaras can weigh up to 77 to 150 pounds. The capybara is one of the most social animals on Earth. A group of capybaras can consist of 40 capybaras in a single group. Capybaras can run up to 22 miles per hour. The lifespan of a capybara is 4 years in the wild and 8 to 10 years in captivity. Capybaras are also known as water hogs because of when people first discovered the capybara, they thought that the capybara was a type of pig. Adult capybaras can reach a height of 20 to 25 inches at the shoulder. The closest relative to a capybara is a guinea pig. Okay, time for the rating. I rate this Wild Republic capybara a 10 out of 10. I recommend anybody getting this animal if they like capybaras, Wild Republic, South American animals, and rodents. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please click the like button down below to subscribe. Click the picture of Tinsel to subscribe to this channel. Oh, one more thing. Stay loving capybaras. See you later. Bye.